This spreadsheet has 20 HVAC companies in Phoenix, ranked by which leads I should contact first. Name, phone number, rating, review count, and more, all in one place. It also includes a research notes sheet with the details that need a closer look. 2 prompts built this without manually searching or copying details one by one. It has a feature called Maps, designed to search for places and businesses. It scrapes business information and organizes the results. Here's how to do it. Open ChatGPT and click Maps in the sidebar. Ask it to find 20 companies in your target industry. Here it's HVAC in Phoenix. The prompt is available in the description, ready to copy. It collects details like name, phone, and rating, along with everything else you ask. That one prompt also gets the results into an Excel file. Here's the part worth knowing. When it's not confident about a detail, it labels the field not confidently verified instead of guessing. Check the research notes sheet for what that means before you start making calls. But this list doesn't tell you which leads to contact first, so let's improve the result. Rank the leads by adding a potential column with high, medium, or low. Base it on reviews, website quality, and overall fit. That's 20 leads, organized and prioritized in minutes. Whatever industry you're in, you can turn that search into a structured list of potential clients. Try this with your target industry and own city, and subscribe for more ChatGPT workflows.